We do not need to see receipts. If you're a business, we don't need your gas receipts, your cell phone bills. We just need summaries.
Hello, I'm Michelle Voskuhl, and I'm here today with Jon Neal of the Neal Group in Greenfield, Wisconsin. So we are going to be talking a little bit about peak tax prep time. We are also going to talk a little bit about what to bring to your tax appointment. So I started doing taxes so long ago that I did them by hand, and we do not do them by hand anymore. We are blessed with tax software. So Jon, what essentials does every client need to bring to their tax appointment?
We like to see the last 3 years of tax returns from a new client when they come in. It gives us a base to see what kinds of income they have, any kind of trends, but it also lets us look at them to see if we can amend the returns to hopefully get them some more money back, or to see if any mistakes were made on the return. In addition, we have a checklist that we use, and we give it to our clients as far as the documents they need to bring in for the current year, things like W-2s, 1099s, if they own a business, a spreadsheet of some kind showing the income and expenses, or their QuickBooks file. K-1s, we have some instances where people forget to give us things and then they get notices from the IRS later on. So it's important to bring everything that you have.
Right. So, but what documents do clients think they need to bring, but actually we do not need to see?
We do not need to see receipts. If you're a business, we don't need your gas receipts, your cell phone bills. We just need summaries. If you're an individual, we don't need all of your prescription receipts from Walgreens. We just need a total. We don't need all of the charitable donation letters. Sometimes they're nice to have. We just need summary totals.
Right. Another thing that I'd like to throw in there is we do not need investment statements for every month of the year. We generally just need the broker statement at the end of the year. If we do need an investment statement, we will request it following up. So that's one I always giggle about.
Yeah.
Like, I don't need this pile of papers.
We do
this
have
is
some
too
clients
much.
that bring us a box full of statements.
It's really not something we need. So I know the Neal Group, we handle a lot of things behind the scenes to simplify things for clients. Just give me an example or a couple of examples of what we do.
One of the things that we do is take care of the actual filing of the return. Ever since the Internal Revenue Service introduced electronic filing or e-filing, we take care of that for our clients. Sometimes I call it a joke. The only thing that we tell the client that they have to do is send in the check to the IRS. Everything else is taken care of by us.
So you talked a little bit earlier about the business owners and how to get them organized before their appointment. You mentioned QuickBooks files. You mentioned, just any spreadsheets or anything they have been using to pull together their information. Is there anything else that you can think of?
We have a checklist that we send out both for individuals and for businesses that list a lot of the common expenses or deductions that they can use as a guideline. Again, we want things in summary. We don't need to see Office Max, Staples, local stationery store. We just need to see office supplies. So if they can get that to us in summary form, that's fine.
Right. I know with the business clients I work with, I do spend time earlier on November, December, just reminding them, try to pull all your information together, get your information together so we can do the work for you for the tax return. So returning clients always get a visit with us. We spend, 30 minutes to an hour with them, asking any updated information. What about new clients?
New clients, we offer a 30-minute meeting that's free, no charge to them, to ask them some questions and see if we're a fit. I'll be the first to admit we aren't a fit for every person that wants a tax return done. And so we talk and see what they're trying to do and see if we can help them. If we can, great. If we can't, we'll tell them.
Exactly. So the Neal Group can provide a smooth, stress-free meeting with you. We will also be very honest with you to say, as Jon mentioned, if you're not a fit, we will recommend where you can go to get your tax return prepared. We understand the tax law and we know who we can help and who needs additional help or doesn't really need our help.
Right?
Okay, that's it. Come see us at the Neal Group. Just a reminder, there is a 30-minute free consultation if you want to come see us to get your tax done.